Love the drive. Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you're having a wonderful day, guys. Hey guys, ZERODAYJay here. ZERODAYJay here. ZERODAYJay here. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Let me turn my, well, let me make sure I'm logged into everything. Yeah, I'm logged in. What a move to the VWAP. What a move to the VWAP. Are we going to reject at the VWAP? That's the question. Let's turn this fucking screen sharing on. I've been trading these brand new funded Apex accounts for like the last 2 fucking hours. And I came from being down, then being up, being down, being up, being down, being up to I got $78 or $70. And a lot of it is because I was up $600 or $700 and let myself get shaken out, and then it kept going down in whatever direction I was trading. But I was trading in all of this shit right here. You know how hard it is to trade this shit for some people, including myself? So now we're finally at the VWAP. Oh, by the way, I successfully flipped day 7. I didn't fuck that up. Shocker. Shocker. Hope you guys are doing well, by the way. Let me say what's up to everybody. Now I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to reject here. We're going to keep going through it. Huh? Who's here? Who the fuck is here? Oh, I said fuck. I guess I'm going to get fucking age restricted now. Some fucking loser literally is using, it's probably the same fucking loser, using multiple accounts and reporting to YouTube about my stream. So they get age restricted every fucking day. Imagine having nothing better to do than to do shit like that. Sean, what up? Dagon Poker, Marcin, Robert Gallis, Jay, Micah, Maximus, Ian Connor, V33, Greg, Orlowski, Danny Siebes, Rick, Hot Shot, Glenn Vale. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. P. Shenanigan, William Chapman, Roger Adams, McLovin, Cyberpie, Subi Guy, Thriving, Marco, Tim Morgan, ZERODAYJay blows accounts, ZERODAY Jason, Tony Gold, Sintra, Michael S., Alfred, what up? Mamba Lambo, Ward, Just Ain't Right, Mwah, Gary BB, Tony Gold, freaking Danny, Jack Boom, Chuck, Boris, Norris, Zoe. I don't know what it is, or that's their job. Bobby D. Is it Zoe or Zoe? I know Zoe. I knew it was Zoe. It was spelled that way. Exactly. I always wondered that. TJP, Cody, Josh. Hey. AWAC Prime. Micah, you almost had it all in there. JJ, Markel. Right now, we're just chopping around. I had a funded take. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, my brand new 25K. Found the way to fuck that up. I was watching all these moves like, oh, man, this looks like a good spot. This is a good spot. Just watching, kind of doing other things. I was doing some work outside of the prop firm space. And then I figured I wanted this. Let me go back to the hourly. When we were dropping, we dumped, right? I wanted this to get filled. But of course, we were in the golden shower pocket and we bounced out of it. But I wanted this to get filled. So when it bounced, I thought it was just going to be a relief bounce. And around here, I tried to go short and it just kept going up and I just blew the accounts. $1,500 a drawdown doesn't seem to be enough for me for some reason. Well, for the obvious reasons. So that's gone. I did get a flip day. This is what, day 4? This is day 4. Trade day's doing okay. This is day 3. I'm up $2,700. This was the first trade I took all day. That was cool. But yeah, it's just fucking frustrating. It's frustrating how my month has been going. It's just super fucking annoying. Zoe. All right, cool. That's what I thought. I've been saying Zoe. Sorry. You're not the first person. What up, JJ? You're not the first person I fucking whose name I butchered. And you won't be the last. Andy, what up? Josh, Bowser. The chat doesn't let you go. Keep going after 7 messages in this. Really? I don't have any setting for that, though, Micah. That's weird. K. Suleiman. Yeah, it's been a fucked up month for me, bro. But I know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. I will come out of this shit. I am requesting money tomorrow. So that's cool. 4,000. Will I get all 4? I don't know. Right now, I'm wondering what the fuck is going to happen here. So let's get rid of this right here. Let's draw some new shit here. And I might be finding myself relying a little too heavily on the Fibonacci, the happy little Fibonacci. 618 incoming. We got the upper, the VWAP band here. We got a fucking fractal. Let me go back to the 15. There we go. Got a pivot point here at the 707. That's interesting. Where's the orb on the New York? Where's the New York orb? And we're down a lot. All right. So we're in the orb. We are in the orb on the New York time frame. The New York chart, right? So the top orb is here. The bottom orb is down here at 23,200. We're chilling around the VWAP on the extended hours. We're just hanging here. Is this going to become support and we can keep pushing up? Just my style. What up? Moravsky. Mamba Lambo. Yeah, man. I feel you. Fun to grind. Do I track them hardcore? Not really. Some of them are easier to track than others. I track Apex. I also don't come out here and say, I don't talk about, I just talk about my payouts. I mean, I go like on a bigger, like the bigger picture, but I haven't done the Apex in a while. I mean, I do have it. I think, when was the last time I did it? I don't know. I got a ways to go before I'm at break even with Apex. Tristan, CyberPie. Yeah, I mean, I could do a better job of that, but I don't. I know I probably more than doubled my money last month. At this point this month, I mean, I'm just under 8,000 in payouts, so I think it's safe to say I'm profitable, but not by much. What up, Bo Vosh? Sintra. Who was right? Was it? I don't know if I don't remember saying anything about that myself personally. Looks like we are gonna push up. What are we? We just keep chopping around in this fucking range. 39. What's here on the New York? I mean, we're way over the VWAP on the New York chart. I think it's gonna want to push up to the top orb here. At least, I don't know though. I don't know if I want to go in here. This could easily just roll over. I don't fucking trust any of this shit. I don't trust anything. I don't trust anything. I don't trust myself lately. So fuck. I definitely want more than six. I had like, look at how. All right, so this is how much. This is how to figure out how much I did have. Right. If you start with $2,500 of drawdown, and I'm at 1846, let's say, and I don't know why they're different. I guess of how they got filled because I'm copy trading them. I was up like $750, $720 at the peak. At the peak. Fucking annoying. Yeah, it does, Josh. I just don't, it looks it, and then until it doesn't. 15-minute orb, Anonymous Giraffe. How's it going, man? I look at, they're different, right? You got the 15-minute org on the extended hours when the market reopens at 6 p.m., right? And then you have the 15-minute orb for New York, which is completely different. Sometimes they're the same, but most of the time they're not the same. So you got the New York open, the New York orb is from 23,200. It's a 91 point range. The orb on the open, the reopen on extended hours is like 23 points. Keegan, what up? Shari, hello. Sanyel, Sports Don, Neo, MJNYC Group, Sports Don. I think I said what up to you. Keegan, Kenny, it's a trap. Ben, the fourth cart, the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I was looking at that. Look at this fucking wick. This was a crazy fucking wick right here, up and down. But it doesn't look great. I thought when we were dumping before that we were going to fill this down here. Can that still happen? Yeah. Will it happen today? It's not looking like it. What news do we have going into? We had the FOMC minutes. Is that? I wasn't even thinking about that. Tomorrow, we got a bunch of shit. A bunch of PMI in Europe and the UK. European PMI, well, French, German, UK PMI, manufacturing and services. You got unemployment claims, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, United States PMI, manufacturing and services, home sales, Jackson's Hole, We should fucking kick them all in the hole and then fucking cover the hole with dirt. Give them all a fucking dirt nap. But anyway, sorry. Maybe that's why I'm going to get age restricted. Don't age restrict me. Benjamin, what up? Raphael, Brian Joseph, J Min, Yash. So J Min says the market's either going up or it's going down. I got it, bro. I'm with you, man. It's definitely going to do one or the other. Or it could go sideways. It could go to the right. Well, that's definitely going to happen. We all know it's going to go to the right. See, look, this is why I didn't want to fucking go long and think it's going to pump out of here. We just dropped how many fucking points? Not a lot, but 55. We just dropped like 16 points. We're in this little fucking range here. Kevin Tobias. Renee. Oh my God. You're on a fucking heater, Benjamin. I love it, man. I love it. Don't go against the rightness, Mike. Yup. You would think, like when they go to Davos, you would think, they're all there together talking about how, we're leaving too much of a climate footprint as they all flew over there on their private jets. You would think that's a great time to fucking, deal with those motherfuckers. Oh, Benjamin. Yeah, bro. I can't wait. Omega Stonk, what up? Renee Bleh. What up? I can't wait to have a... See? This is why. I don't trust any of this shit. We're rolling over. I wonder, though... Watch this. So here we go. Are we going to retest the VWAP? Here? And then bounce? This is the New York, the VWAP. Oh my God, what a messy chart. This is why I'm having such a rough month, because my chart is so messy. That must be it. We're back. You see, now we're under the VWAP here. We kind of rejected at the 618 right here. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Sometimes when you see it, you just got to look at it. Trolls Doll, what up? Yeah, I saw that. Matthew Van Zant. I don't know, man. You know why I probably won't ever get a channel on Kick? Because Rip's got a channel on Kick. And I don't want that motherfucker to be like, you got that channel because of me. I'm good on that. Coffee Buff. Where? Where are you trying to use it, bro? TJP, Rick. I checked it out, though. V33. I did check it out. It looks interesting. If I stream on Kick right now, would you guys go on Kick and watch me? Or are you going to fucking look for me on YouTube? My bad, Coffee Buff. You gotta let me know ahead of time so I could put in a fucking, so I could let them know. What up, Hytem? Yeah, Kick is it's another fucking streaming platform. It's different though. There's not a lot of traders on there from what I could see. I actually started a channel on Rumble, but I'm just taking I haven't really posted a lot of content. I take shit here and there and just I'll download a stream and put it on there, shit like that. Messi, what up? Yeah, but are you gonna watch me on there or here? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Everybody's on YouTube. It's YouTube and then everything else. I would love, I was thinking about, I don't know, I just, for whatever reason, Instagram, I'm having trouble growing my Instagram. I would love to grow my Instagram. Are we retesting this, the VWAP or what? Oh, we did. Yo. This is the VWAP. I don't know. I don't trust this shit. I'm going to fall. I'm gonna get suckered into this. Watch. Getting suckered into longs. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. I guess the extended hour VWAP is gonna win. I'm gonna get bottom ticked here. I could make my stop more gooder. That just means I'm just gonna lose more money. I already fucking know how this plays out. Telling you, man, it's been a fucking awful. I've just been so bad lately. So bad. Yeah, just take me out. Just take me out and then bounce. I figured the retest of the VWAP on the New York chart, the New York time frame, you know, would have been a good spot. I feel like this might be support right here. I'll just put another order in down there. It's just been a fucking struggle this month, man. It's just fucking so annoying. And lately, like, I literally get my fucking ass kicked on fucking Power Hour like every fucking time. Josh, what up? Yo, NQ is very trusting, Sugi guy. Marcelino, what up? Joey Freedom, hi. You haven't even done a Discord yet? The Discord, oh, I fucking, like, I thought I had a chance here. The Discords are good, man. Because it's not, you know, you get to hang out in the chat here, which is great, right? We're all chilling in the chat. But like the conversation, because a lot of people that hang out on my streams also hang out in the best community on these prop firm streets, the DCA gang, DGen fam Discord. So the conversation continues in there. Like, what did I fucking say? Bottom ticked? The bottom tick king is in the building. So again, I was green and now I'm fucking red. I was green, now I'm fucking red. It's just been like all fucking day with this account, with these two accounts. And it fucking, what does it do? It bounces right off of that, right up off of where I get stopped. It's so fucking annoying. But the conversation continues in Discord, and you could fucking post like screenshots and shit. People will share a lot of what they're seeing on the charts. It's just fucking great in there. You could post GIFs. That's like, you know, that's my favorite thing to do in there. I'm the chief GIF officer. All right. Let's see. That's the VWAP. Oh, actually, no, it's not. I guess we're going to go lower. It's not a bad spot, but I'm probably going to get fucked here. We all know it. We all know it. We all know it. It's not a bad spot because it's the top of this fucking zone, this cuck zone right here. But I don't know. Shit that I used to see really well, I'm not seeing, or shit that used to work well that I would see isn't working. Or I'm just fucking completely fucking lost lately. I think it's a little bit of all of the above. See what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't fucking matter what I'm doing lately. It doesn't fucking matter. It's so fucking annoying. You don't understand how fucking frustrating this is. Maybe you do. Unless you're just always winning. Unless some of you guys are always winning, you know? Bobby D, yeah, probably. Tristan. Yeah, Tristan, if you're good, like, just trade a different account. Trade a different account. iTrade, what up? Cajun. Miss Goody. See, I mean, it doesn't fucking, like I said. Any other time this might have bounced. If I wasn't in this trade, if I didn't enter this trade at all, it probably would have bounced 20 points. But because I'm in the fucking trade, it's not. I just feel that way. I just feel like that's how it feels right now. So let me get stopped out again. Maybe I'll blow these accounts for the stream. We'll do that. Another batch of fucking brand new Apex evals blown for the stream. Funded accounts. Sorry. Funded accounts. That's it. Let's go. Come on. Take me out. Take me out here. Come on. No, not yet. It's just fucking amazing. It's so fucking amazing. CP, what up? Yeah, I'm going to take the L right where I get bottom ticked. We'll take the L when I get bottom ticked. Here we go. And I was up as much as $700 more than once in this account. That's the thing that pisses me off more than anything. That's why I'm running out of drawdown, even though I'm only down like $800. This shit is moving so fucking slow. Just fucking take me out of my misery. Maybe I should move my stop all the way down and just let my drawdown run out completely. Just get so fucking annoyed with this shit. Something went wrong. What? Why is the chat not showing up on the analytics page? All right, let me go back to this shit. Roger Adams. Yeah, just walk away. Yeah, when the stream's over, I'll walk away. Yash, Dildzik, Boda, Buddha, Bald Eagle, D-Wave, Bobby Lashley. Oh, that's the worst, man. I don't deserve them anymore, Miss Goody, so I'm hoping that they blow. I'll blow them for the stream. I'll try to win trades, but we all know what's going to happen. We all know what's going to happen. Bald Eagle, what up? Stone World, Lieutenant Dan's legs. Marcos, Tristan. There's still a chance. Let's hold out hope. Let's all start smoking the hopium. Yeah, Lieutenant Dan's legs, of course, bro. You're the bet. I mean, look, you literally fucking timed it perfectly. Lieutenant Diane. I'll move this up just for shits and giggles, but that's all I get. I had 6 points, 6.5 points. Just a little tease. It's just a little tease. See? Just a little fucking tease. That was the VWAP. Did it just retest the VWAP? Let's see. Yeah, pretty much. Almost. You see, guys? Let's go. Let's try to go long again. Oh, wait. Now it's going to bounce. It's not going to come down here and fill me. It's fucking so annoying. What up, Knock Knock? Micah. I'm only at 1, Micah. Young, what up? Nomad. Are you not going to fill me here? Yeah, if I even still have these accounts. Chuck Boris, yeah, of course it does, because I want to go long. I wasn't sure about this, And I was saying, I'm not sure about this. And sure enough, it rejected. And I thought I was so fucking smart that we would get the VWAP bounce on the New York session VWAP. And I got fucked. Vic Med. I don't, what up, Jason? I don't fuck with funding ticks. Not yet, at least. So it shouldn't work for my knock, knock. What up? You know what I mean? Oh, so I got bottom tick. Now it's going to fucking pop? Of course. Of course. Yo, did I really just get fucked like that? Zero Day Jason here. Holy Earth, what up? You know what my code's good for? 40% off take profit traded with no activation fee. 40% off trade day with no activation fee. That's the best code. Gets you that shit. Look at this. So I get fucking basically bottom ticked. Clint Vale. You're welcome. I don't know what you're thanking me for. Yeah, I'm good at that. I'm good at dropping links in the chat. I used to be good at trading. I used to be okay at trading. Now I'm just really fucking bad. Where's the bottom orb here? We're not. Jesus Christ, man. Of course. Of course. Of course. Right back to my fucking entry. Fuck, man. Yo, we don't drop all the people's codes in here, especially we're not doing code mooching in here, Clint Vale. Sorry, man. There's only one fucking code in here around these parts. Timber. I don't know. Yeah, but if I let you do that, Clint Vale, then everybody's going to be dropping their fucking codes in here. We can't be having that. Do I have a code for Fast Track? Yeah, it's fuck them traders. MCC. Yeah. Scalping trades. Lake House. Gary B. Yeah, Lake House. Cucking. Or it should just be mwah. M-U-A-H. Mwah. That's what we should make it. I wonder if this is going to be the spot. You're good, Clint Vale. Nick Trades, what up? Moises, what up? Yeah, bro. So is this thing going to pop and I didn't get filled by what? 2 points, and it's back, basically getting back to my original entry on this long here. Is that what's happening here? It's fucking awesome. Big key. Isaac. Yo, me too, bro. This is, of course. Look, there's my entry right here, 21.25. Here we go. Coach HID, what up? Whatever. I need more. I need more, Coach HID. Dude. Look, right back to my fucking entry from before. God damn, it's so annoying. Hot shot. What up, Neil? Something. We need more tariffs. Although the tariff shit's kind of old at this point. Oh, you fuck. Of course. I got in at 21. It went up to 29. Not that I would have taken that. There's your algo candle. What was that, 10 points? 15, 14-point algo candle, guys. Try not to fall out of your chairs. Try not to fall out of your chairs, guys. Hey, chat. Listen, chat. Try not to fall out of your chairs, chat. Olivier. No, not friendly at all. Or Jean, what up? Try not to fall out of your chair. The 54-minute candle is better. The 54-minute candle is better. Alfred. That's fucking crazy, bro. Oh, here we go. Too little, too late. Look, here was my look. I was in at 21. I was in at 21 and I got stopped out. I let myself get stopped out. And it just went up to fucking 34. Great. Now it's going to drop. Watch it dump now. I want the up of the VWAP band. Where is the top orb on New York? The top orb is here. It's 90, which is the upper the VWAP band. We all know what's going to happen here. We all know I'm going to get fucked. I don't even need that many points. The 59-minute, yeah, the 59-minute candle has been pretty good. The 54. The 50, we got 10 points. 10 points out of that fucking thing. 15 points. Sorry, guys. My bad. 15 points. So we're going to retest the VWAP here. Are we already retesting the VWAP on New York? Yeah, we're at the VWAP on New York. Look, there's the VWAP on New York. Where's gold at? Ew. What's the range on gold today? 945. Not even 300 ticks. That's rare. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. We rejected off the New York the VWAP on New York. There it is right there. Awesome. I was hoping to blow these accounts on the stream. You guys are going to get what you came for. There they go. There they go. Maybe the 54-minute candle will be fucking amazing to the upside if the accounts survive. This is what I get for fucking not being happy with $700. Twice. Twice I had $700. Twice. We all know when it's going to bounce. We all know when it's going to bounce. Let me fucking let these blow, and then it's going to bounce right when I lose all my fucking drawdown. Fucking awesome. All right. We're out. There goes another 2 blown Apex accounts. Great fucking job. Nick T. At least you still have the account, though. What's up, Roberto? Patrick H. Yeah, I like it better, too. Yeah, what a fucking rip. Now it's going to go, bro. Watch. I told you guys. I got bottom ticked. Now look at it fucking go. Dude. It's so fucking annoying. So annoying. I'll just replace them with new ones again. My favorite thing to do. My favorite fucking thing to do. Oh, my battery's dead. I can't even do it on my fucking phone. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck me. I don't even know where my fucking charger is anyway. Oh, here it is. Look at that shit go. Look at it go. We should just title every fucking stream, "Watch me blow more accounts." That's what we should fucking title the streams. Fucking watch me embarrass myself again. Watch me embarrass myself for the fucking 50th day in a fucking row. Holy shit. It's fucking so fucking embarrassing. It's not my fault, Neil. Whose fault is it then? It's my fault. Great Dane. Cyberpie. Piano Trader, what up? Mario G. Tory Trade's husband. That's fucking funny. At least you guys are here to make me laugh. What up, Nomad? It's just fucking like every fucking day. But I had $700 twice. Let's look at the fucking trade log on these fucking accounts. So fucking embarrassing. I'm like, I literally make a fool of myself every fucking day now lately. Every fucking day. I used to just fucking win. Wait, where's the beginning? 1254. No, here we go. I lost 585, then I got 1140. Then lost all of this. Then got 680, Then lost this. Like, look, it's just, I had so many chances to just fucking get the fuck out and call it a fucking day. And what do? Nothing. I just give it all back and blow the fucking accounts. Yay, Gore. I know, Coach HID, but this shit is dragging out way too fucking long for my liking, personally. Especially after the month I had last month and May. It's just fucking annoying. I know. Alfred, I would love to trade the New York Open. Unfortunately, it's 6:30 in the fucking morning for me. And it's tough to fucking wake up for that shit because I'm fucking up late. Trading shit London. And you know what? It never was a problem. It never mattered. Oh, here we go. Here's the fucking pump. Look at this pump. Boom, 5 points. Woo! Woo! Fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. Fucking over this shit. Over it, yo. I'm over it. I'm just tired of saying the same shit. It's the same fucking shit every day. What the fuck? And the funny part is like, I don't know, guys. Literally right here, I was like, I don't know, guys. I don't think it's going to keep pumping. I don't know. So why wouldn't I just go short? Why wouldn't I just go short when it fucking looked like it was going to drop? No, I go against it. Here. You know, it's just so fucking weird, man. Like, I'll say one thing and then I'll do the opposite of what I'm saying. Like, I'm literally talking it out loud with you guys and then I fucking go against it. The fuck is wrong with me? I literally was saying that when we were here. I'm like, I don't know. I don't trust this shit. God, it's fucking annoying. Look at this shit. Garbage. Well, at least I did something right today. These are up. These are 300, 200, let's just say $300 away from fucking being passed. And then I got to flip these 3 trade day accounts. I fucked my fucking pro. I literally, as soon as I started trading my pro funded take profit trader account, that shit was gone. This one, at least I made last at least 3 hours. My wife would be proud of me for lasting 3 hours. Road Dog, what up? Other people are getting paid, bro. We all know the markets are fucked. Rick. Yeah, how can I trust myself, Rick? Look what I'm doing. Yeah, I get it. Scalping trades. I don't know. I just feel like I took another step in the right direction last month, and then like it doesn't even matter. Like it never happened. I'm trading like none of that happened. What up, New York NYC day trader? What's good? Savvy. The trend is my friend, Elemento. Yeah, okay. The trend. If I would have traded with the trend today, I would have gotten wrecked. It's the gluten. I don't think I had any gluten today. Maybe it's the lack of gluten. It's just so fucking annoying. Like every fucking day lately. Sal Tribes. I've been good trading those, but not lately. Jay Hundo, yeah, I don't do either. Maybe that's the problem. Tim Morgan, am I doing anything to get better? I'm fucking fighting my way through this shit, bro. You know what I mean? Sintra. F4. Tori trades husband. Is she really married? Wasn't she just saying how lonely she was? You need to fucking help her out with that, Tori trades husband. Cushion the air. Oh, wow. Look at Streamlabs just dropping all three at the same fucking time. Awesome timing. I traded all times of the day, New York City day trader. You're just seeing me stream. You're just seeing me trade right now because I'm streaming. I trade whenever. The only time I don't trade is like the New York Open because I fucking sleep through it. No skills. YouTube versus real. Which is real? What do you mean? Tori trades is shit. I don't know. It's this. I saw some shit about her posting that shit. I don't know. Yo, you got you should have hit me up. I would have been one of your I would have officiated the wedding. Emmy's got the hots for Bull Barbie. Pretty sure she's married too, bro. Well, Mitch, you know. I get it, Mitch. That's not something that's not my style. That's not my style of marketing personally. Carlos. Yeah, Tim. Maybe I should move back to the East Coast. Enzo. Scalping trades. Yeah, not bad. Who? William Chapman. Hot shots. Does she have that many kids? Good for her. New York City day trader, 4 to 5. I was on at 3 to 4. I was trading. I woke up at what? I started trading around. I mean, I was up before that, but I started trading around. I started trading like 3 hours ago. I was up. The issue was I was up. I was up $700 at one point. $700 on two different occasions. I was up $700, and I just wanted more because I was annoyed about I was waiting for this drop. You see this drop right here, this dump. I was waiting for that to happen, and of course, I was already done. I was out. I was out, and I got annoyed, and I missed it. And then I started going against it, and then I got it all back. I was up 500. I was up 700. I was up 700, and now I have nothing with those two accounts. I still have these two I'm going to request tomorrow, but it's just fucking, God, it's fucking annoying. I know I'm going to come out the other side of this shit. It's just right now going through it is the most frustrating shit ever. You know? Let me go back to, hold on a second, guys. Let me let me go back to making myself feel better about myself. Here we go. This is how we do it. Look, there's no fucking red here. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Hold on, let me hide my account numbers. Okay, we're good. This is what it looks like on other streams, right? There we go. Gain weight. 6 a.m. to 11:30. Yeah. What up, Vince? Scalping trades. Yeah, I heard he had a rough day, but he was up 12 grand. So he fucking I guess he's human too, right? He was up 12 G's and gave it all back because he got greedy. He thought he could get more, I guess. And that was me. I was up $700 twice in those accounts. Twice. Look at this. Look at me. I'm fucking green everywhere, guys. It's about that time to be green everywhere. Triple M's. Macamille. Yo, you got to hang out in the Discord. That's how you know for sure. Cube, what up? Doing amazing, bro. Doing amazing. Lieutenant Dan's Legs is fucking the best trader on fucking YouTube. I'm happy for you, though, Lieutenant Dan's Legs. I really am. I'm just so fucking, I just hate myself right now. You know what I'm saying, bro? Lieutenant. What a fucking name, too. What a fucking name. I love it, bro. I love it. Yeah, I have 300 buddies talking through it right now. Or 247. K-Spec, nice job. Great fucking job, man. Good, Cajun. White trash granny. I don't want to just be happy with what I have. Pigs get it. Yeah, I get it, bro. But I have targets. I have profit targets I'm looking to hit. You know, I could have easily have hit my profit target if I just not fucking let myself get yo-yoed around here and waited for better setups. But, you know, that's just something I'm going through right now. I'm very fucking indecisive. And I've been second guessing myself because I'm fucking struggling. What do you call Lieutenant Dan in the ocean? A bobber. Macamille, yeah, I'm always on for power hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, bro. Always. I've been trading power hour for fucking over a year now. The other times are random. Whenever I could get on, if I could get on, I do. Test some new theories. The ones that I had were working fine until they stopped working or until I stopped seeing or executing on them. It's my execution more than anything. Trusty Tran. You just got to wait till you get the activation. You got to wait till you get the credit, Trusty Tran. When was that? Did you go to activate it as soon as it was available to be? A lot of times the activation fee, the credit will show up later. So you got to wait for the credit to show up. And the credit will show up when you go to pay. When you go to pay, if the credit's there, it will show up under the wallet. It'll say activation fee credit or activation credit, pro activation credit. Subi. No, I don't want to counter trade anybody. I should be counter trading myself lately. Yeah, Lieutenant Dan's Legs. Yup. Anytime I fucking feel like I figured shit out, the market fucking completely shifts on me. And then I got to fucking figure new shit out. Yeah, because you paid the 130. You didn't select the credit, bro. Trusty Tran. So you have the fee credit. You didn't use it. If it wasn't there yet, you had to wait for it to show up. And then either you paid before it showed up, or you didn't select it when it was there. So now you have a fee credit on the next one you pass. Vince faded himself. You know what I'm saying, Trusty Tran? You had to wait. Sometimes they delay giving you the credit. But when you go to get it, watch, I'll show you. When you're about to like activate that shit. It would be right here. Yeah, I'm gonna post it in the. I'll show you guys in a second. Oh, is this where I wanted to get filled before? Let's see. Where's my order? Let me go back. Before I chased. Yeah, pretty much. Yep. Where was that order? 200. Let's see if I can find it. 204.50 is where I had the order. And we just went up. Yeah, all I had to do was wait. 204.50 right here. You drop down here and then it fucking just curled up. That's the other thing. So look. This is it. You have, this is when you go to buy, when you go to activate the account, yeah, it's going to ask you for money. So you can pay with your credit card, your bank, your bank, PayPal, your wallet. And then right here, if you had the credit, if the credit was already in your account, Trusty Tran, and for anybody else who's going to do this for the first time, the credit will be right here. And you just select that. Just like you could select any of these, you select this one, and then you check over all the boxes, and it'll before you even submit the payment, it will ask you, hey, are you sure you want to use your credit, your activation fee credit, to pay for this to pay for this account? And you say yes. So if anything, you have the fee credit, or I mean, if you want to hit up support and ask for a refund, I mean, you can. I would just save the credit for the next one. No, that's not true, Trusty. Dude, I believe you, but I've done it so many times. All you got to do is just check that box. All you got to do is check the box where the credit is. If the credit was there, it would have let you select it. Romeo, what's up? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. That's my dog's, one of my dog's names. Did you see it, Tran? I just posted it. DAAA. Benjamin, yeah, that's exactly how it works. Yeah, you have to select whichever one you want to use, however you want to pay. Yeah, Trusty. There you go. Trusty Tran. I'm sorry it happened, but yeah, if you whatever you want to select, you gotta click on it. It gives you the options. You have to click on whichever one you click on is going to light up, and that's the one you choose. It will confirm with you. Are you sure you want to pay this way? Borangua, what up? Yeah, I mean, if you hit up support, I just know the support's like they're kind of slow right now in terms of response time. Everything's just ugly. Yeah, I can't wait for this month to be over. Can't fucking wait. I mean, these are on day 3. So tomorrow's day 4. I'll have these on Thursday. Maybe I could do something cool Thursday and Friday. This one's on day 4. I'll have this on Sunday going into Monday. It's like a fucking triceratops. A dinosaur. How hard can it be, O'Brien? The Jackson Shithole Summit? I don't know, man. It's just whatever it is, it's going to be a fucking shit show, right? It's just going to be a fucking shit show. I wonder how long Take Profit Traders doing their You think they extend the 40% off with no activation fee after August? You think they're going to end it in August? Or they're going to keep it going through September? Same thing with Trade Day. Such a great fucking deal. My Fund the Futures is doing, let's see if they're doing anything new. Like, they're doing a whopping 5% off still. No active promotions. So literally you could get 5% off with the best code ZERODAYJAY. No promotions from them other than 5% off. Crazy. Apex is 80% off. bulenox is back to 83% off. I got some more fucking rebuilds coming through on when? The 20, let's see. I don't even know. Let's see. What's today? The 21st? Yeah, I got a 50K wealth charts rebuild coming through. Gross. Why would I fucking do that there? It might have been 90% off the first month. Yeah, that's what it was. And then I got a bunch of 90% offs coming through on the 27th. I'll just fucking hold out. Holy fuck. Oh. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Right now, I'm just fucking annoyed. I'm just so fucking annoyed. I'm gonna request fucking 2,000 on each one of these tomorrow after the market closes, and then I don't know. I'm gonna get approved on one of them for sure. I don't know about the other one. Bowser, I know. I do need something, man. Yeah, I Bowser, I don't. Yeah, bro. I noticed that, but I wasn't. I just let it. I didn't say anything because I figured you did it on purpose. I was like, all right, he went for the 25Ks. You know, New York City day trader. I'm sure plenty of people are profitable in August. Neil is for sure. Alfred probably is. Bowser probably is. Subi guy probably is. William Chapman. Yeah. Trusty Tran, you have to get over the buffer. These are the buffers. Anything over the buffer, depending, I don't know what size account you have, anything over the buffer you can request. You're intraday trailing until you get over the buffer. When you get over the buffer, you're static. Anything over the buffer you can request. $40 off, no activation fee. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. I know Piano Trader, bro, but it's just, I don't know. There were just so many times when I had a Take Profit Trader funded account. I had a pro account on day one at 2,920, but because I was annoyed that it went down another 20 points when I was in the short, and I could have had another fucking $2,000, I tried to get more, and I gave it all back and blew the account. Like, dumb shit like that's been happening to me. Like, you know what I mean? And then the other one I had that same day was a 25K, was up $900, and I gave it all back and lost. You know what I mean? It's just, that shit just drives me fucking crazy. It's just inexcusable. What up, Tactical? Hell yeah, bro. Tory Trade's husband. My Masturbate was glitchy. Was it? Was it? I must have not have been around with that. Well, moving averages, I don't even pay attention to all of them anymore. The only ones I really pay attention to are the 5 minute 21 and the 34s. The 1 minute 34s. I got the 9 too. I watched the 9. The other ones are like the 200s and the 200s. And I got a 300 on there too. The moving averages aren't the problem. No, you know what I'm saying, Cube? It's not the chart. It's me. No one was asking me, no one was, making suggestions on how to, what my chart should look like last month when I was fucking one day of getting approved and being over 20,000 for the month. You know what I mean? Just ain't right. Stormy Shots, what up? Try taking them off completely. They're not getting in the way of the candles. That's not the reason. That's not it. I should just take everything off and not have anything on there. Yeah, trades, yeah. Yeah, I don't think they'll ever do that in New York City day trader because you also got, you got like affiliates also withdrawing. So if they're keeping the wallet data, you might have a big affiliate that withdraws a lot of commissions and it could be misconstrued as trading if they don't know how to keep it separate, and they don't. It's all in the same place. LeBron's, yeah, I think I'm going to add more EMAs. The 89, the 50, the 337. Is that which one it is? The 337? I remember some fucking shit. Rick, I get it, bro. Can I draw? You can't. I can. They're fucking weird though. Like, watch this, Cube. It's fucking. They're gross. Draw Fibonacci. Let's just say I draw the low. Yeah. Look. I don't know. They're just ugly. Now I'd have to it's defaulted to that. I can't like set the default. Oh, maybe I can. $618. $707. Let's see. 78.6. 100. I don't know. It's just where's the golden shower pocket line? Let's see if this sets it as default. If it draws default, I won't have to always draw it on a different fucking thing. I don't even care about this red shit, whatever. Now the background. Can I do the background? Save as default. Apply. Save. Ill. I don't even think that's right. Remove. Let's see. Let me draw another one. See, it's backwards. It kept the same default, but it's backwards. I mean, it's giving me for a reversal. Let me see if I draw it the other way. If I draw it down. You fuck. It's doing it backwards. How could fucking... Is it me? Oh, my God. Is it me? Am I that fucking stupid? Like, just this alone, you see how much of a fucking pain in the ass this is? This is why I don't fucking use it on TradeEvade. What the fuck is going on? Oh, so if I want to draw it, like, it's just the opposite the way you draw it on TradeEvade versus on here, on TradingView, or anywhere else. How do I fucking adjust this now? Dude, fuck. This is what fuck this shit. I ain't fucking with this shit. Look how much fucking time I wasted trying to just draw it right. When I could just go on TradingView and be like, hey, let me draw a fucking fib. Let me draw a fib on TradingView. Watch how fucking easy this is. Look. Top, low to high. Boom. It's drawn. Now I can fucking look and see what I want to do. What a fucking pain in the ass. Mr. D Trader. Yeah, you have to do it. Yeah, but look, I couldn't even draw it in the right spot because of like how it's so it's fucking dog shit. Dog shit. Now, if I want to expand it, I don't know. I don't like it. Just more fucking lines on the chart I got to fucking look at. Take all the money and run, bro. Sintra, yeah, super primitive. Marcos M, yup. Stop Run City, what up? Vinny Lee. Yeah, hiding my account numbers to just make everything better. What prop firm? You talking about Apex? Oh yeah, the PA account. So you're on the 6 payout? I don't know. If you take it all, then you blow the account, right? How much will you have any drawdown left? I feel like I don't know. Do you want to like run that shit the fuck up and take a bigger like a massive pad, or do you want to just? I'm always taking what's available. That's me. 1998 called. Yo, facts, Romeo. Or Jean. Yeah, how much drawdown do you have? Yeah, I'm the same way, Nicholas. What's up, man? Hello. This is gross. Oh, so if you take 6, yeah, so you what taking 59, you'll be taking 50. Yeah, that's right, 50,100, obviously. Yeah. If you take that, you're blowing the account. You're ensuring that you blow the account. Right? So you're at 56,000 minus 50,100. You could take 5,900, which is great. We're all about taking the money, but you do have the account. You do have one of those accounts that's all the way up. Yeah, I'm with you, New York City day trader. You could leave 750 as drawdown and still trade it. Is 750 enough for your trading style? The worst is when you could fucking take it all and you don't, and then you say, fuck, I should have taken it all. You know? I'm a big proponent of taking it all, but I know where you're at, and I know where you're at with that account. See, look, guys, like K-Spec's having a great month. Perfect example. Plenty of people having a month. Yeah. It's on the core is 1,000 minus the 20% they take. It's only 800. Or Jean, I don't know, man. That's a tough call. I'm a big fan of taking it all, but you're at this point, you're taking it all blows the account. You know what I mean? Any other time, taking it all means you still have some drawdown left over, but you're at that point with those Apex accounts. Yeah, Elmi, I felt the same way. See, Tyler's saying to run it up. Tyler. Nicholas, I don't know, man. You're getting jaded. I'm getting jaded too. But it's fucking annoying. I think the issue now is I'm coming to expect it, and that's not good because you get what you expect. You know what I'm saying? Michael Gianos. Neil, hell no. I don't give a fuck about that shit, bro. Sorry if you do. Corey. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Jason, I'm well aware. I just, the momentum I had going into the month was insane. What am I at? Because I counted the Apex payout that I got approved on August 1st towards August instead of counting it towards July. And then I got 1214 and 680. This is all I got. This is where I'm at for the month, 78.94. And then I'm going to be requesting 4,000 from Apex. But I do think I'm not sure if I'm going to get approved for both. I know I'm going to get approved for one for sure. At least I believe I will. The other one, I'm not sure. It's up in the air for me. Alfred, facts. You get what you fucking deserve, Murray. That's one of my favorite fucking movies. I love that movie. Hey, want to hear a joke, Murray? Yeah, you just got in your own head, Nicolaus. You know? "29th Street? No. I have not seen that movie. Yeah, Alfred. That movie was fucking amazing. And the whole time, now, like, looking back at it, like, I don't even know if any of it really, like, you know, in that movie's world, I don't even know if any of it happened. It could have just been a fucking imagination the whole time. 29th Street? I'm going to text myself so I remember to look it up. Thanks for sharing. Michael Giannis, that's right. It's all monopoly. Exactly, bro. It's not real money until you see it in your bank account. Nah, I know, Jason, but how, dude? How it's happening this month versus how it happened last month? Oh yeah, Roberto, that sounds interesting. Two girls, one butt. Is her husband going to be in there getting hammered? Literally. Oh, we're still talking about Orjan. Yeah, I would take most of it, if not all of it. I'm on the same fucking boat. Just ain't right. But if you're gonna go that route, just make sure you give yourself enough room to build the account back up. Guitar Hero. Bro, Jason, I used to never chase, bro. I used to chase a lot less. I fucking suck. I've been getting suckered into bullshit. That's the craziest part. Every fucking day when I stream, it's just been so bad. It's just fucking awful. I can't wait to wake up from this fucking nightmare. Rick. Yeah. Yeah. I got some kryptonite in my cornhole. I got trading kryptonite in my butthole. Am I a New York Giants fan? I am. Yup. Speaking of the New York Giants, did you know that Daniel Jones is now the starting quarterback for the fucking Colts? Their other quarterbacks are so fucking bad that Daniel Jones is now their starter. Oh, Nicklaus, that sucks, man. Tough lesson to learn right there. Yeah, you have to reach out to them. They paid him all that money because he won one fucking playoff game. Guy was fucking garbage. Who, Richardson? Oh, the guy. What? Wait, who's the other guy? Didn't Richardson get hurt? Yeah, Anthony Richardson. There's not that many good quarterbacks in football anymore. I can tell you that much, including Daniel Jones. They just got to hand the ball off to Jonathan Taylor. Alfred, he's the reason you stopped watching. Yeah, he was so fucking bad. Do I play fantasy football? I used to. I don't fuck around with that shit. Yeah, Roberto, before 5 p.m. All right, be good, Neil. You do the same, man. Thanks for hanging out as always. Is that what that shit is, Roger Adams? You gamble on that shit? Or is that what he's doing on his when he's streaming? Pie in the face, no skills like Bill Gates. No, yo, at least he takes you to the playoffs. At least he wins you a game or two in the playoffs. I'd rather have Whack Prescott than Daniel Jones. Yeah, this shit ain't fucking moving anymore. Yeah, Nicklaus. There's that too. Eric J. Yeah, that's tough. When you guys are winning all the time, you think, yeah, we'll win more again. We'll win again. What up, T. Cooper? Kevin G. Is anyone besides tampons? Yo, bro. Oh my God. That's the craziest shit. Like, listen, it is what it is, but haven't they watched what happened to Bud Light, Jaguar, Cracker Barrel? Haven't they watched what happened to all those fucking companies? They just never learn. I don't understand. Yeah, Alfred, Lando Lakes, like why? Leave the crack ass cracker on the fucking barrel. It's his fucking barrel. And then you look at the CEO, who the CEO is, and it just makes it's like they fucking want it. It's like they're trying to ruin shit on purpose. Yeah, Kevin G. Yeah, it's just dollars and cents, man. Put the male cheerleaders in the WNBA. And I don't care either way. I don't give a fuck. But from a pure business perspective, it's probably not a good move. Yeah, Orjan, that's not a bad play, bro. That's not a bad play. Congratulations, by the way, on how much you've been killing it lately. Unless they were on his property, Alfred. Even like the remodel of all the restaurants. Even the remodel of all the restaurants. Like, way to piss everybody the fuck off. DJP, did you? Yash. Yeah, my bad. My bad, guys. Let me get back. Hold on. Let me get back to my true form here. There we go. Yeah, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like Orjan will come back and let us know in a few days that he's got the account back up, in a healthy spot. Yeah. No, I will leave the red here. I'm okay with completely embarrassing myself. I did. I was hiding them before, just ain't right. You missed it. Yeah. There we go. Boom! The best! There you go. Hey, just ain't right. There it is, baby. What do you mean I zoomed in? Nah, I'm green, bro. I'm green everywhere. Orjan, great fucking job, my man. Hey, listen. I was hacked. Someone fucking photoshopped that shit in. Look, $4, $4, $2.96. Look at that. I'm up $10. $10 to make them holla across all my accounts. Oh, wait, I got these three. How hard can it be to get like $310? What do you think? Coach HID in the place to be lost all respect for me for being as transparent as I am. Nick Gert. Oh, Nick. Nick. Oh, my God. You almost got me, bro. That's fucked up. There's a fucking... Wasn't that a whole thing? There was actually a guy with that name? Ian Connor. I don't know, man. The 150s. The 150s, you talking about take profit trader or just in general? Definitely not with Apex, because I don't like the idea of having a grow account $7,300 fucking dollars just to get $2,750. Manuel, what up? Dope book futures. See what you did? See what you did? Now you get me in fucking trouble. The prop hacker. Yeah, I don't know. The 150. Yo, I've had the most success with 50Ks on Take Profit Trader and Apex. 50Ks on my sweet spot. I've been trying with the 25Ks because, hey, you just need to get to 1,500. That's the buffer. How hard can it be? I finally passed over. I finally, got to payout land with 25Ks in Apex. So I figured I'd be able to do it with Take Profit Trader, but nope, not yet. Not yet. What am I looking at? What's the NQ doing? Just awful. Just an awful job by me lately, man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I've been sucking so bad lately. Yeah, Manuel, awesome. Awesome. Yeah, Alfred, I heard about that. Yeah, Hogue. Hogue's fucking, hey, congratulations to, oh my God. With like, how many people were on the stream when that happened? Like 3,000? It's fucking awful. It's so fucked up. Like, it's funny, but at the same time, it's fucked up, you know? $5,000. Gee, so fucked up, man. But like now we can laugh about it because it's just fucking stupid. It's just so fucking stupid. I wonder who this is though. The guy that created the account, Nick. Which one of you motherfuckers is it? That's what I want to know. Fuckers. What up, Coach Calvin? See, look what you did. Look what happens. We got people losing respect for me left and right. You guys are fucked up. Too much humidity in here. Nick, what up? What's up, Bach? Is it really? No. You can't take the Top Step guys seriously? How was the house account today? You work with Printer Bros? Oh, shit, man. Is it you or is it? I know because Printer Brothers, like there's another guy. So are you the other guy? Are you the other brother? Printer Brothers is the homie. Oh, guys, if you haven't joined the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the link to the Discord. The best fucking community. Eddie. Really? That was the last time? Yeah, we haven't been on since. It's been like fucking over. It's been almost 3 months. The Tossed Up House account. Yep. I noticed that they don't let that shit run too fucking far down in the red, though, lately. Is Apex still promoting? No, I haven't seen what was the guy's name? Like Mad Max or some shit? I haven't seen that in a while. What was like Crazy Eddie? What the fuck? What? I think it was like Crazy Eddie or some shit. Oh my god. Oh, I'm looking in the wrong fucking email. Hold on. I'm gonna find this shit. Eddie Z. Eddie Z at Easy Trading Computers. That's what it was. It was Eddie. There was a Crazy Eddie. There was a guy named Eddie Cantor in New York back in the day. He had like a fucking electronics fucking store, like car stereos, all that shit. His name was Crazy Eddie. And he got in some trouble. And they got this guy, Eddie Z, with Apex's. They're giving away, those Black Friday computer deals, guys. I knew I could fucking find it. They were. Yo, Subi guy. Yup. There was one literally right by my house on fucking Sunrise Highway. Yeah. To fucking, Alfred, to trade the accounts for you. His price, yeah. Our prices are insane. Twan, what up? How'd I do today? Fucking amazing. Look. Killed it, bro. Killed it. You missed all the fun. You missed all the fun. Almas, what up? What up? Yeah, all right, guys. I'm fucking. I've had enough for today. At least 10 a.m. Crazy Eddie Marcus. Hey, Jackson's Hole. Join the Discord if you want to hang out with the best fucking community. If you got to grab some accounts, Apex, Day Profit Trader, My Fund the Futures, bulenox, or Trade Day. Use the best code ZERODAYJay if you want to support the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for fucking hanging out, watching me suck, hanging with me through the struggle. I'll get back to not being a complete fucking loser soon. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll be hanging out in and out throughout the day. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.